Hello everyone, this is Kevin from Learn a Trade. I'd like to share something with you as far as you independent contractors out there and any of the service technicians that might be looking to go into or opening up or launching their independent service company. There is a link that I'm going to share down in the description of this video so that you can reach out to Bun for the BunnServ application. And BunnServ, this is just an application to become a service provider for Bun and all of their equipment or whatever equipment that you're familiar with. So take advantage of this opportunity. It's it's out there, it's available. So I just wanted to let you know about it. I'll leave the link in the description, and I will let you know that it is a application so you can provide your service provider profile. Your they have a service agreement in that application process, and they have their Bun service guidelines, and you can take all that in and submit your application with your information of your company or doing business as name, and submit it. And from there you just don't know what amount of work that you can get out of it. But there's plenty of opportunity there to be able to pick up jobs, and for technicians out there that do side work, this is a perfect opportunity to get in as a service provider. So take the chance and fill out the application. It's going to be in the link in the description, and then I'll also have it on my website, www.learnatrade.online, and you can go there and you'll be able to find that in the blog. So just wanted to share that with you. Take that opportunity to fill out the application and become a service provider for BunnServ. Another thing that I have that I'm working on launching too is the course for those who are looking to get their EPA Section 608 certification. I'm gonna put that link up, and I'll also present a short video for you to take a look at, and then I'll put the link in the description for that so that you can purchase the course. And the course, I believe, is like $20 to $25, something like that. But you'll be able to go through the course at your own pace. And what it is it's a preparation course to prepare you for the exam, the EPA Section 608 exam. So take advantage of these opportunities, and let me know anything else that you might be interested in, and maybe we can put it together. And pretty soon I'm gonna eventually get around to having setting up a video with Mike Reed, Mike Reed Appliance Service. And he and I spoke recently, and I really think that we have a lot of content and information that we can share with you guys out there. So go to his channel also, Mike Reed, and check out his information. He has a wealth of information on his channel, and he's willing to share it. So take advantage of it. And that's all I have for now. I wish you all the best, and we'll talk to you soon. Stay well. God bless.